The postcard from my cousin Paula. I don't understand a lot of these words, but there are some that look familiar. Can you understand any of these words? Here's some of the words I know. Hola, Elliot means hi, Elliot. Feliz means happy. Madre means mother. Bogotá is the capital city of Colombia, where my cousin lives. 5 años means 5 years. Semana means week. Abuelo means grandfather. Abuela is very similar to abuelo, just with an A instead of an O at the end. It means grandmother. Madre again. We know that one now. Padre looks very similar to madre. Can you see? It means father. Aeropuerto looks similar to the English word. Do you know what it could mean? It means airport. Tu prima Paula means your cousin Paula. I've translated the postcard using an online translator. Hi, Elliot. How are you? I am very happy because you and your mother will be arriving in Bogotá very soon. Last time I saw you was 5 years ago. Do you remember? I've grown up so much since then. I bet you have too. Next week, I'll go with our grandfather, grandmother, my mother, and father to pick you up at the airport. I'm so excited. Kisses, your cousin Paula. Some of my family is from Colombia, but I only know some words in Spanish. Let's search what other words there are for family members. We've already seen a few. Do you remember them? Okay, let's connect the words we already know. Madre means mother. Padre means father. Abuelo means grandfather. Abuela means grandmother. And prima means girl cousin. Now let's connect the other ones. Do you know how to say uncle? It's tío. Auntie is very similar. Just swap the O for an A. That's right, tía. Here's a little tip. Often, masculine words in Spanish end in an O, and feminine words end in an A. So if we follow this tip, can you guess what primo means? It means boy cousin. What does hermano mean? It ends in an O, so we know it's a masculine word. It means brother. And lastly, swap the O for an A, hermana, and you get sister. Have you noticed that little accent on top of the letter I? This is called a tilde. It helps us to pronounce the word correctly in Spanish. When we see a tilde in a word, we know we have to stress that syllable. For example, tío. We stress the syllable T. Tía. We also stress the syllable T. Let's try these other words. Remember to stress the syllable that has the tilde. Bebé. Bebé. We stress the second syllable be. It means baby. Lápiz. Lápiz. We stress the syllable la. It means pencil. Balón. Balón. We stress the syllable lon. It means ball. You can collect some texts and see if you recognize what type they are. You can also search through them and see if you recognize any words, and practice your pronunciation of words that have a tilde. I'd better get back to packing for now.
If you liked this video, you can find it and so many more at clickview.net. Sign up for free today.